no chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressing a kid with it. Where you breaking them necks?
Hey, let's just pretend like we were all listening to the same thing, which is how we do by 50 Cent. So, actually it's the game and 50 Cent. So this morning I'm gonna be doing my workout, and I've worked out every single day this week. It's insane and I love it, and I don't want to mess up my little streak that I have going on, especially being that I track all my workouts. When I tell you that I have achieved so many goals this week, I hiked 18 miles. I went hiking 6 days in a row. So yeah, I'm not about to mess up my little streak that I have going on. So I'm gonna do a full body session today. And I already got caffeine in my body, but that was way early this morning at 6 o'clock when I was editing. So I'm about to take my pre-workout, edit my little playlist, and then get my little session in for a good hour, maybe hour and a half. And then my work for the day is pretty much done. I just have to, actually no it's not, I lied. I have to film today because I didn't do it yesterday. Sorry, my glutes are on fire. And I am wearing my new Amazon leggings, which I did a video on the things that you need to get on Amazon. So go check that out. Gotta hydrate. And I'm also so tan these days because I've been outside every single day. I'm packing up an order right now. I'm so excited for this order. This is all for the same person, and she basically bought everything that I have. So I need to do another restock. So she's getting a selenite wand. Kind of bright. Sorry guys, it's 7 in the morning. I don't have the best lighting right now. Look how beautiful these are. They're so delicate though, but they charge everything around them. They charge your crystals. I'm getting energy just touching it, and they really can help elevate your candles. She's getting Palo Santo, some incense. So I'm gonna pack all that up for her and then drop this off at the post office when they do open up at 9 o'clock. And I'm just happy. I love that you guys are enjoying the spiritual stuff. I really get to connect with you guys on such a deep level, and I love doing YouTube, but this makes me so happy. So thank you guys for continuing to shop and support my little business and take my energy. I love it. I love that you guys are working on your spiritual journeys, because it was the best thing that I've ever done for myself, and it's the most beautiful journey that you will ever go on. I personally believe that. So definitely check out my crystals. And actually, she bought my last spiritual box, so I don't even have any more crystals left, but I do have some of these wands left for you guys if you want to get your hands on them. Where I do a caffeine overload, and you know, I have to have coffee and I have to have pre-workout. Like, I need both. I can't just do one or the other. So I don't know, it works for me. It works for me and my body, as long as I don't consume too much caffeine at the end of my day. So that's why I prefer to do morning workouts, preferably before noon, anytime. Otherwise, I feel like I'm breaking up my day too much, and I don't know, it's just annoying to have to shower after you work out and then do something else, or maybe you do your makeup early in the day and then you want to work out, so you got to shower your face, work out, then redo your makeup so you can go to work. Like, it's just too much. So if I get my workout in the morning time, I have the rest of the day to do other things. So you guys know I take Alani Nu pre-workout. Boom, get it on my Amazon page. Nothing new there. You guys seem to really like it also, because I see your DMs. Just a little bit of water. This is like 8 ounces. I don't like a ton. So yeah, I'm gonna get this in. Hopefully I'll start my workout by 9:50. And I really wanted to do full body tone. I am loving my workouts right now because I'm doing a good mix of cardio and strength training. So that's just my personal secret, as you guys know. That works best for me and getting me to look lean while also building that muscle in the glute area and focus in on my legs. If you guys are around my age, I'm 28, then you know that we are around for a prime time in music, okay? And this was like early 2000s, okay? All the hits, still bops till this day. So if you guys like that type of generation of music, then go listen to my 2000 AF playlist. Definitely have that on at least every single day. That's good for working out. I also have the peach ×3 emoji. That's my gym playlist right now. If you need some cardio music, I have my run girl playlist. Pretty girl music, that's like all the girl gang type of vibes. But I mean, I have so many more playlists. They're just not public because they're not perfect. But if you guys want me to add more, let me know. I don't know how many of you guys actually actively listen to them. I do know you love my Jeep playlist. That's what I listen to first thing when I hop in the whip. You know how it be, you have to have your music on rotation so you can blast it with the windows down. So I really take pride in my Spotify, I just have to say. Love it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna listen to, you know what? Am I in an emo mood today? Sometimes I have to throw it back to like Linkin Park, Avril Lavigne, Good Charlotte days, and get a good lift in. It just depends on the vibe. I don't know, man. I wish I could share my music with you in these freaking videos, but I can't. Let's go kill it. I'm excited. You see how much this caffeine affects me and my energy? But my sports bra is from Target. Not crazy about the outline of the pads, so I'll probably take those out. I'll link the bra down below. I got this in a size medium. Leggings, the star of the show. These little guys are from Amazon, under $20. I'm wearing a size small, and I have the gray colorway. Let's see if I can bring you down a little bit. So you can see, thick band, and then it has like a little booty scrunch. I honestly am about to order these because they're on Prime. I'm gonna get them in some more colors. They're textured too. Can you see? Ooh. But yeah, I really like the butt. These are probably my favorite leggings off of Amazon. Look at that, tummy on flat. Favorite leggings to date off of Amazon. So if you need some workout gear, go get these. And then today I'm gonna be doing full body, so I need my step. Also, Amazon, okay? Under $50.
She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressing a kid with it. Way you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? A little bad, it's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad, you know it. I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if it's fun with you. Baby, I'm just tryna spend time with you. Stepping out with your girlfriend. You got work in the morning. I pull up on you like Jordan, just to show you gorgeous. God ain't cutting no corners. So let me know what's up. Playing hard to get. Why you acting tough? Got me cracking up. I see it in your eyes. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act.
Not gonna lie, it was a little bit of a slow workout today. It took a little more breaks than I wanted to, but I did full body, just did abs, so I'm feeling really tight and toned right now. Just gonna make a quick protein shake, and I decided I was gonna go hiking today because listen guys, I've had such a good week with my workouts, just being consistent, so why not just challenge myself to do 7 hikes in a row? Check that off for the day, and I've burned 464 calories today. So I'm gonna go pick Beverly up on the way, and we're gonna go to Runyon. So yeah, gonna have this, and I'm gonna leave here. Y'all know Beverly lives literally, she's my neighbor down the street, so it takes me no time at all to get to her. Yo, tell me why I had the weirdest craving to try spaghetti tacos. I've never had this in my life. I believe I saw it back in the day on iCarly or something, like a weird food combo. If you have a weird random food combination that is not popular amongst your family or friends, please drop a comment down below. I feel like this falls under that category. So I'm just gonna use basic ingredients. This is my favorite pasta sauce. I get it from Target. I think it's like $8.99, and I like the tomato basil. I'm gonna be doing some 85/15 ground beef. I wish they had like a 95, but they didn't have that at Target when I went. I also am gonna be using regular spaghetti instead of my favorite, which is angel hair. So gluten-free. What? Is this the regular? I just wanted regular. Corn flour. Why am I always not reading labels fully when I get things? I wanted the real gluten, okay? I guess I'll just use my angel hair that I have at home. And then these are the shells that I'm going to use for the tacos. I really hope this turns out good because I'm just craving tacos and pasta. So let's get this started.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, I just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. 5 to 5, then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name in light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all 'cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell them.
Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I did it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan.
So my spaghetti is done. I didn't do anything wild or crazy. I literally just threw in the spices that you guys saw that I used. And then I did measure this out because I do track all of my food, so I was able to properly log this meal. The trick is to toast the shells, otherwise I feel like they aren't as crunchy. So if you don't toast your taco shells, just pop them in the oven on like 350 for 3 minutes. Watch them because they will burn. But I'm gonna assemble these little tacos, and I really hope that they hit because my mouth is watering. I don't even really know what this little combo is gonna taste like, but we will find out. I feel like I need more sauce. I love a lot of sauce on my spaghetti. And this literally took like 20 minutes to make. So not too bad. Add some of that sauce. Ooh, I'm excited. All right. And then to top it off, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of basil. you know, make it look a little fancy. Ooh, I'm not mad at this. Look at these little tacos. Chef Kayla is in the house. Moment of truth. By the way, this is the Trader Joe's strawberry juice soda. So bomb. Let's see if these tacos, spaghetti tacos inspired by iCarly, are gonna hit today. I don't also know how I feel about these shells with the bottoms like this. Oh my god. I love the crunch. Okay, I love the corn tortilla. The crunch, it's salty, it's savory. If you love savory, salty foods, this is it for you. Oh my god, wait. This just, I think this just changed my entire life. Oh my god. Wow. How have I not had this before? Is this weird? I don't know. Let me know. Try it out below. Honestly, try it out. Then come back to this video and tell me how amazing it is. Oh my god. Looks like chill vibes if you ask me. Guys, those tacos hit so hard that I knocked out. Guess what? Trinkets. If you guys have not seen this Netflix series, by the way, I am really loving the Netflix original series. I think they have done an incredible job creating like their own content, and I really enjoy it, almost more so than a lot of the stuff that they have up. So I'm gonna start season 2. I love shows that are like girl gang vibes, like very youthful and fun, easy to watch. You don't have to kind of digest it so much. You can kind of have it on in the background and loosely pay attention. So I'm gonna watch that tonight. And got a little cozy candle going, of course. Fall vibes only, please and thank you. This one is my favorite. It's my second one this season. It's not even fall yet and I'm already on to the next. This is my second cider lane that I'm burning thus far. I'm about to be posted up on the couch tonight with my heating pad. If you don't have a heating pad, get one. I swear it's the best for back. Like if you have back aches, that's what I like to just sit up against. I think it's because I work out so much and stuff. So we're just gonna be chilling. Oh my god. Okay, so my Amazon order got here literally so late. It's 8 o'clock. I wasn't expecting this until like the first week in September. So, okay, let me tell you why I bought what I bought off of Amazon. So, my favorite chip is Funyuns, and obviously I'm dairy free. Those have milk ingredients, which I don't understand. So I had a craving for Funyuns because I missed them, and I just found this dairy free alternative. I bought 3 bags because that was the option. And these ones don't contain dairy, so let's give these a try. Funyun ring gods, please let this be hitting. I just need a good alternative. Ooh, it's been a long time since I've seen onion rings. Man, the flamin' hot ones, those would just hit so hard. Honestly, they look the same from what I remember. Yo, these taste just like Funyuns.